$5 a day. The price of a coffee. Invested consistently, it can grow into more than $1 million. This is compound interest, and once you truly get it, you can't unsee it. Let's break it down. Simple interest pays you on what you put in. Compound interest pays you on your gains too. Your money starts making money, and then that money makes money.
Put in $1,000 at 10%.
After a year, $1,100. After 10 years, $2,600.
After 30, over $17,000.
The early years crawl. The later years explode.
That's the curve almost nobody has the patience to wait for.
You don't need a calculator to see the power. You need one simple rule. Take 72, divide by your return. That's how long to double your money.
At 10%, your money doubles roughly every 7 years.
Wait long enough, and it doubles again, and again, and again.
$10,000 becomes 20, then 40, then 80, then 160,000.
Same money, just left alone. The last doubling adds more than the first 3 combined. That's why the end looks like magic. Here's the part that changes how you think forever. The amount you invest matters far less than when you start. Emma invests $200 a month from 22 to 32, then stops completely. Larry invests the same amount from 35 all the way to 65. Emma invested for 10 years. Larry for 30. Yet Emma ends up richer.
10 years of a head start beat 3 times the contributions.
That's the brutal cost of waiting. Delaying from 25 to 35 can quietly cost you over $500,000 at retirement. Not because you invested less, but because you gave your money less time to multiply. Compound interest is simple to understand and hard to wait for. 4 rules make it work for you. Start now, because time is the one thing you can't buy back. Reinvest every dividend automatically.
Keep these tiny, because they compound against you too.
And never interrupt it. The magic only works if you leave it alone. One warning. Compounding runs both ways.
A credit card at 22% compounds against you just as ruthlessly. Kill that debt first, or it quietly does to your wallet what investing does for the rich.
So here's the plan. Invest something today, even small. Automate the same amount monthly.
Turn on dividend reinvestment.
Then wait. Your only job is patience. The math handles the rest. So run the rule of 72 on your own returns. How fast does your money double? Tell me in the comments.
Subscribe, because next time we cover the 7 money habits of people who quietly get rich.
See you there.